This dance is called Crystal Chandeliers. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross left over right, point right to the side, into a jazz box with a cross. Cross right over left, step left back, right to the side, cross left over right. That set of steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Into a back rumba box. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, step right back, touch the left beside the right. Left to the side, right beside left, step left forward, brush the right. That rumba box once more then. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush. So add those two sections together. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, cross, back, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush. Vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn right, so we step that right forward, brush the left. Step forward on the left, touch the right beside the left, step back on the right, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Vine to the right with that quarter turn, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, back, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, touch. Step back on the right as you bump your hips back, then bump forward, bump back, hitch right. Repeat with the right leg. So you step the right back as you bump your hips back, forward, back, hitch left. That set of steps once more then. Stepping back on the left into those hip bumps. 7, 8, bump back, forward, back, hitch, bump back, forward, back, hitch. That takes us to our halfway point. Let's put it together up to there. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, back, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, bump back, right, forward, back, hitch, back, forward, back, hitch. From our halfway section then, step forward on the left, hold. Step forward on the right, hold. Now we're going to make a heel grind, making a quarter turn to the left. So you're going to touch or step your right left heel forward. You're going to grind the heel from right to left, effectively over 2 counts. Step back on that right and hold. So you will have made a quarter turn. Because you're making that turn, you will have to move that right foot. And we're going to repeat that. So we'll step forward on the left, hold, right, hold, heel grind that quarter, over the 2 counts, step back on that right, hold. So that is actually 2 sections worth, but the steps are exactly the same. So let's try that once more. Stepping forward on the left. 7, 8, step, hold, heel, hold, grind, hold, step, hold, heel, grind, hold. Nice easy section now. So we're going to weave to the right. So we're going to cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross left over right, point the right to the side. And repeat, going the opposite way. So cross the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over, point the left to the side. That little set of steps once more then. Weaving to the right, left foot leads. 7, 8, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point. Let's add that to our halfway position. Walk, walk, heel, grind off on the left. 7, 8, walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point. Jazz box, quarter turn with a touch. So we're going to cross the left over the right, step the right back, make a quarter turn left, and we step that left forward, touch the right beside the left. Step the right to the side, touch left beside right, left to the side, touch right beside left. End of dance. That little set of steps once more then. Jazz box, quarter turn, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Let's add that to our halfway point. Walks into those heel grinds, off on the left. 7, 8, walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side, touch. So that is your two halves. Let's put them together. Cross point, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, back, forward, back, hitch, back, forward, back, hitch. Walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, walk, hold, heel, grind, hold, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side, touch. So that is your dance, not an and count in sight. But it is the 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Cross point, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, touch, bump, 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 hitch, bump, back, forward, back, hitch, step, heel, grind, step, heel, grind, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side, touch, cross, point, cross, back, side, back, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, forward, back, hitch, back, forward, back, hitch, walk, step, heel, grind, step, heel, grind, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side, touch. So that is your dance and your walk through. Now I can't count this one in. You start on the word crystal. You'll hear the artist singing, oh, the crystal, and that's when you actually start. So let's give it a go to a bit of music.
Oh, the
Cross point, cross point, cross back, side, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, forward, back, pitch, back, forward, back, pitch, step, heel grind, step, heel grind. Behind side, cross point, behind side, cross point, cross back, turn, touch, side, touch, cross point, cross back, close back, touch, side, close step, brush, side, behind, turn, brush, step, touch, back, forward, back, pitch, step, heel grind, step, heel grind. Behind side, cross back, turn, touch, side, touch, cross points.
Chandeliers light,
Rumba,
paintings on your wall.
vine,
Marble statuettes are standing stately in the hall. But will the timely crown that has you lighting loud help you dry your tears? When the viewers off of your crystal chandelier,
cross
I
points.
see your picture in the news most
Rumba,
every day. You're
vine,
the chosen girl of the social world, so
Hip
the
ups.
stories say. But a
Into
faith
heel
that's
grinds.
mine only lasts a while, then it fades away.
weave,
And the love we knew will come home to you
Jazz.
someday. Oh, the crystal chandeliers light up the paintings on your wall. The marble statuettes are standing stately in the hall. But will the timely crown that had you laughing loud help you dry your tears? When the viewers off on your crystal chandelier, when the viewers off on your crystal chandelier.
Hope you managed that one.